Oh hey, don't mind me. I'm just refilling my little shampoo bottles. I just wanted to say that if the financial part of joining this is doing one of these journeys is what's getting you caught up, because if you do the 5 elements, you're essentially getting, can't even fit them all, these 5, and then I got 2 conditioners, right? And you're like, oh man, it's probably too much. But if you think about it, I've been filling these up for my shower and for travel about 3/4 of the way with the product and 1/4 to 1/3 in water. And these, using all 5 of them, these are the ones I just refilled, have lasted me 7 to 8 weeks. And my husband uses them too, but he's got short hair, so he doesn't use a lot. I've got this long, thick hair. So in almost 2 months, I've used one of these bottles. I've used this much of each of these. So I still have, this is gonna last me a year or more. There's no way I'm ever gonna get through these. It might be a big cost up front, but I'm not gonna have to buy any hair products for probably a year. I'm always just gonna have this, and they're easy to take with me. They all have different good smells. It's gonna take forever to get through these. So I just wanted to share that. If you're looking at it and you're like, oh my gosh, like you're really not using all that much, and it spreads very nicely and very easily. So keep that in mind.